So, ito yung sample natin ng sworn statement of assets. So, easy din to gamitin. May template nito. So, i-fill out nyo lang yung name niyo, yung address, and then yung ano ba yung business name niyo as registered with the DTI, and of course, yung certificate of registration niyo with the DTI, and of course, yung certificate niyo from ano mismo yung BMBE certificate niyo. Number kailangan yung ilagay diyan. And ito na yung pinakalaman ng ating sworn assets. So, kailangan nyo i-declare lahat ng assets that you are using for the business na nga. So, hindi nyo kailangan i-declare yung may lupain kayo, ganun. So, hindi nyo kailangan i-declare yun. But mostly, yung mga assets that you are using for your business, like yung magkano yung cash na ininvest nyo as capital, yung inventory, yung mga equipment, laptop, printers, supply. So, lahat ng related sa inyong business, related doon sa BMBE business niyo, yun yung i-declare nyo dito. So again, main requirement ng BMBE is hindi tayo lalagpas ng 3 million pesos yung inyong assets. So basically, yun lang yung laman nito, and all you need to do is kailangan yung notarize sa inyong suking mga abogado. So again, ito yung sworn statement of assets owned required itong isubmit as attachments sa mga BMBE.